Hello everybody, my name is Sherif and today I am going to explain some types of organic compound isomers. But before we start, we want to know what are organic compounds. They are generally any chemical compound that contain carbon-hydrogen or carbon-carbon bonds, like methane with 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, and then ethane with 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. And after that we have propane with 3 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. And then we have butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, and finally nonapentane. This is the longest hydrocarbon. As we can see, the hydrocarbons follow a specific pattern or rule. That is the standard formula of alkanes. Each added carbon atom adds 2 hydrogen atoms. So what are isomers? They are molecules or polyatomic ions with identical molecular formula and same number of atoms of each element but distinct arrangement of atoms in space. To understand more, consider this white ball is a carbon atom and that black ball represents a hydrogen atom, and that stick will be simply a bond between atoms. If there are 3 carbon chain according to the rule, it will carry 8 hydrogen atoms. This molecule is called propane. Now try to imagine if there are any different combination we can do to make propane an isomer. No, there aren't any. So according to the table, methane, ethane, propane don't have any isomers because there aren't any different structural combination we can achieve. But if we added a carbon atom with 2 hydrogen to propane, it will form butane. Now, can you imagine any different combination we can achieve with the same amount of carbon and hydrogen atoms? Yes, you are correct. Like that compound, there are same amounts of carbon and hydrogen atoms like methane, so that was structural isomers. There is another type of isomers called geometric. That is 2 or more coordination compounds which contain the same number of atoms but different spatial arrangements. Another example, this is carbon and that is hydrogen, and that red ball is bromine atom. And finally, this double stick is basically a double bond. So if we have 2 carbon double bonded with 2 pairs of hydrogen and bromine, it is basically dibromoethene, cis isomer. And I think it is called cis like scissors, where each 2 similar atoms or items are in the same direction. And if we rotated half of the molecule 180 degrees, it will form an isomer like dibromoethene, but this time it is a trans isomer. That was geometric isomers. So what we learned today is firstly, what are organic compounds, what are isomers, and the difference between structural and geometric isomers. So that ends our video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and benefited from this video. Goodbye and thank you.